Hi, welcome back. This video we will be discussing on internal style sheet. So in last video we have given colors to each paragraph in three different methods using inline style sheet because the styles is given inside the tag. But now in this video we will be defining the styles in between head tags. So this is internal style sheet. So before that we will classify each paragraph with the different names. So first paragraph is class A, second paragraph as class B, third paragraph as class C. And now we will define the different types of styles for each classes. I mean each class of paragraph A, B and C. So a style tag between inside head tag will be the internal style sheet. So type has to be mentioned here, text class slash CSS. So now it will be internal style sheet. So now p.a bracket. So what are the styles I am defining here inside this bracket will be applicable for this paragraph alone, since we have mentioned here as A. So we will just define font family alone. So we have just given a font family name as Calibri, this one type of font. So p.b, that is B class font so this is another type of font. p.c equal to p.c font family equal to famous times new roman. So we have mentioned three different fonts for three different classes of paragraph, and those classes has already been inherited here. So this paragraph will carry font that is defined in class A, that is here, and this paragraph will carry font that is mentioned in class B, and this paragraph will carry font that is mentioned in class C of internal style sheet. So we have saved the code and we will reload. We have made a small mistake here. This is not equal to, this is colon. Now we will open the code. Hope you can see the difference between each line, different fonts mentioned here. This is Comic Sans, this is Calibri, and this is Times New Roman. So this is how we can add different font styles. We have mentioned only here the font style alone, font alone. You can also mention font color, font size, alignment, everything for a single paragraph or for a group of paragraph with the same class. So this is only a sample. Hope this video is helpful. In case any queries, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.